Hey y'all, my name is Ashley Marie. Welcome to my channel. I know, I haven't been here talking about anything worth talking about for real. But I'm here today to talk about our houses, the zodiac houses, just a little razzle dazzle. So our houses tell us where are things happening in our life. We also have our planets that tell us our signs tell us how it's happening, and our planets show us what. Well, yeah, it tells us what is happening. So it's how it's happening. No, it's where it's happening, how it's happening, and what is happening. So houses are where it's happening, and that's what we're going to focus on today. That's how organized I'm trying to be. So we're going to start with the first house. And the first house deals with your personality, your ego, your identity, who you are, like, just your essence, like what you give to the world. Who are you? What drives you internally, like you. That's your personality and how you're going to show up. Yeah, you can be your sun sign, but your rising sign is like, once people get to know you, you show up as your rising, and then go there. But moving on to your second house, that is your possessions, your finances, your values, your material karma. It deals with a lot of money issues and just finances, possession. Like what's your what am I trying to say happening in your life? Depending on what sign is in there, what planet, it'll tell you more in detail on like how you might gain value and material possessions and stuff like that. So your third house is communication. It's your thought process, your perception. What else? What else? Your neighbors, mass communication, and your early education. That's what your third house deals with. So when you think of third house, think about communication and how you think and how you talk to people and stuff like that. Third house is definitely communication. And it's ruled by the one and only gossip queen in Gemini's. But we're not going to go there. There's no zodiac hate on this channel. We love all the zodiac signs. We're moving on to the fourth house. The fourth house talks about your family. It talks about the nurturing parent. You can say it's the mother, but some people don't have mothers or weren't raised by their mother. So just say it's the most nurturing parent in your life. It shows up in that house. Your home life, your ancestors also show up in your fourth house. It can reveal a lot. Like once you get your chart and you really like dig deep, it can tell you a lot. It tells you a lot. So moving on to your fifth house. Your fifth house rules creativity, children, dating, sex. Deals with sex. Sorry. What else? I think that's a really fun house. It deals with your hobbies as well. Your pleasure is just a pleasurable house with your fifth house. So your sixth house deals with work. It deals with your health. It deals with your everyday routine. It is very much a boring house to me. Yeah, it's just a boring house. It's like everyday routine. Like it can reveal what you need to, like what you will be doing. It can reveal what you'll like be doing every day, like maybe for work or something. Like, well, definitely for work. But your seventh house now is my favorite house. I'm a hopeless romantic, so it is your relationship house. It deals with partnerships. It deals with marriage. It deals with I should know this house right. It also says social groups, but I can say that deals with partnership, but I wouldn't try to attach social groups to that now that I'm thinking about it. Yes, so it could deal with contracts because you do get into a partnership like marriage. You have to sign a contract. Anyways, so it can reveal a lot about who you attract, what you like, you know, a lot of love language stuff. Your eighth house is a dark house for me. It deals with a lot of, it deals with debt, it deals with taxes, it deals with transformation, it deals with inheritance and in your intuition as well. That is a house. It's just that. It's just that. That's that eighth house for you. Um, Moving on to the ninth house. The ninth house is higher education, religion. What I say? Travel. Yeah, travel. There you go. Travel. It can deal with your third child, your grandchildren, and your in-laws as well. The ninth house is definitely about your higher, your religious beliefs, like it's like your beliefs house. Your 10th house is career. That's where the money at, you know. Uh, it is how your social status. It is how your public view, your career, how you show up in your career, kind of career person you are. Oh no, Peter. Okay, yeah, and it also rules the dominant partner, like dominant partner. Yeah, and your reputation and stuff like that, your power. So it deals with a lot of career, power, reputation, status within society. You can find out a lot. So if you also have a stellium in your 10th house, that could be your main focus, your career and how you show up in the world. What else? You have your 11th house, which is your social groups, your friendships, what else? Your community, like who you surround yourself with, who, what kind of friends you might attract or stuff like that, you know. That's your 11th house. Your 12th house, it deals with your mental health. It also deals with addiction, like what's hidden behind the scenes and stuff like that. So if you really dig deep into it, like you get into your what planets in that house, how's that planet aspecting another planet, what sign, you know, you get real nitty gritty. You can find out a lot about your hidden secrets, like your addictions and your stuff like that. It's usually stuff that people don't see, kind of behind the scenes type of stuff happens in that house. Like, yeah, your 12th house is kind of like, I just like to think of it as being your spiritual side of your spiritual, which is being spiritual. Okay. Well, that was my video on the 12 houses. Well, 12 houses. Comment below if you have anything to add to any of those houses, or you have any questions, or if you would like me to make another video about the planets, let me know. Subscribe to my channel. That really helps me, and it keeps me motivated when I see my subscribers go up to make more videos, you know. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. So Dope Marie. So Dope Marie. You can follow me there, and it's for both. Like, I have the same name across all platforms. So Dope Marie. It's that so cool. That's so easy for everybody to just navigate and find me, like, you know. But you guys, thank you. Happy holidays. I hope everybody is enjoying themselves, and to remember to be grateful for everything, life. Make sure you say you're grateful for something, like every day, because it makes a big difference.